Welcome to the channel English Vinglish. Definition of existentialism. Existentialism is a philosophy that focuses on the individual human being's experience of, recognition of, and triumph over the meaninglessness of existence. Rooted in the thought of 19th and early 20th century figures like Søren Kierkegaard, Friedrich Nietzsche, Fyodor Dostoevsky, and Franz Kafka, existentialism became widely influential in the 1940s, especially after the horrors of World War II, through the novels, plays, and philosophical writings of Jean-Paul Sartre. According to Sartre, human beings are born into a moral and metaphysical void. There is no plan for their lives, no definition of their essential being. They simply exist. People can passively remain in that condition, hardly aware of anything, taking the path of least resistance. Or they can face themselves and the awful absurdity of their predicament, recognizing that they are alone, that there are no rules and no one to tell them what to do. It is important from the existentialist viewpoint that human awareness of the situation go beyond mere intellectual comprehension. People have to feel the horror of the meaninglessness. The anxiety or angst produced by this awareness may lead to despair, but it can also make people recognize that they are responsible for shaping their own essential being, for creating their own authentic character. Angst can lead people to exercise their wills in acts of engagement that will give meaning to their lives. An act of engagement can be a commitment to social and political action as in the case of Sartre, or it can be a leap to faith as in the Christian existentialism of Kierkegaard and, more recently, Gabriel Marcel and Paul Tillich. Anchored as it is in individual human dilemma, existentialism has been as much a literary movement as a philosophical development. The works of Albert Camus, Simone de Beauvoir, Samuel Beckett, Eugene Ionesco, Jean Genet, and Harold Pinter, as well as the novels and plays of Sartre himself, are proof of its pervasiveness. Albert Camus' The Myth of Sisyphus, published in 1942, is considered a classic statement of existentialist affirmation, that is, the disillusionment and absurdity of human existence. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe the channel English Vinglish.